Hello dear kids, how are you? Like and subscribe my channel. It is the Mario Bros scrapyard. The scrapyard of the Mario Bros. Oh, what is happening with my toys? Hello to all, how are you? Hey Mario Bros, I am fine. Check my tractor. It not go, the tire is jammed. Okay, don't worry, I am coming. Hey my bros, please check my tractor. Look at that. Don't worry, I check it. Yeah. No, that tire is very small. Go dumper and pick more tires. Now we change that tire with these tires. Okay, hurry up, Mario Bros.
Yeah, chin chin chin. Ah, chin chin. Yeah, chin chin. Yeah, chin chin. Yeah, chin chin.
Now we need a jack tractor to pull up that tractor. My John Deere tractor. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, brrrr. Brum, 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 brum. Brrrr. Brum, 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 brum. Hey, John Deere tractor, pull up the tractor. Good work, good work. Okay, hold it up. No, I change that tire with their new tires. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we fit that tire. Now we fit new tire and with Excell. Hey, John Deere tractor, pull it down slowly. Okay, thank you, John Deere tractor. Yeah, we fit the tire. Now we set the back tire. Now we service the back tire because there is something wise in the axle of the back tire. We set it. Now we set the back tire. Now we pull up the frame of the tractor. Now we set the back tire. Now we service the tractor and fit the hood of the tractor. Yeah, we have new tires and service of the back axle of the tractor. There is no ice. There is no ice of the axle of the tractor. Thank you, my bros. And welcome to all. And thank you, the new Giant Deere. Hey, my bros. Please give me my old tires with Excell. Hey, buddy. It is a scrap yard. I can't make the old tires. Please, give me. I gave you money. Then okay. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Drum, drum. Ta. I loaded your Excell with tires on your tractor trolley. Thank you, my bros. Welcome to all.